ascend 40 kilometers inland from the Görele coast of Giresun to the legendary peak of the Black Sea mountain range, Sis Dağı Plateau, where the clouds embrace. Located approximately 1,770 meters above sea level, this vast plateau, named after the fairy tale-like mist that envelops it, is the shared sky border of Giresun and Trabzon. The snow cover, which remains until the beginning of July, then gives way to alpine meadows adorned with yellow and purple flowers, offering viewers a captivating natural spectacle. Sis Dağı is not just a visually stunning peak, it is a massive ecological shield under protection. Declared a tourism center in 2011 and covering an area of 379 hectares, this plateau also houses a 55-hectare registered Type B recreation area. This ecosystem, breathing under the protective wings of the Tirebolu Forestry Directorate in the Sandık Gölü area of Çağlayan Village, it is a vital environmental sanctuary hosting nature sports, challenging hiking trails, and endemic wildlife. The greatest benefit Sis Mountain provides to the coastal skyline and urban life is the absolute coolness and purification it offers against the stifling humidity of the coastline and the grey concrete of the modern city. Its location on the border of two provinces has made it one of the largest social squares of the eastern Black Sea, where the cultures of Giresun and Trabzon have blended for centuries. Trails that traverse the steep slopes connect coastal dwellers with the age-old tranquility and climatotherapy effect of the mountains. The traditional Sis Mountain festivals, held annually with the participation of local villages and hamlets, are a geographical wedding where the centuries-old nomadic culture is passed on to future generations. The enormous horon dance circles, disappearing and reappearing in the mist to the rhythm of the kemençe, a type of violin, carry the shared joy of the two cities to the sky. This shining center of regional tourism and nature sports is ready to welcome explorers in every season. To walk above the clouds, to breathe in that mystical atmosphere where history and nature blur boundaries, turn your route towards Sis Mountain, the Lord of the Black Sea.